Welcome back to another video. If you're scared to file your taxes this year because you owe, or you're behind, or you're afraid of doing something wrong, this video is for you. Before you avoid it, panic, or guess, watch this first. My name is Tariq and I'm a tax preparer. I work with people every year who are anxious, overwhelmed, and afraid of what filing might bring. Let me say this clearly. Fear around taxes is definitely common, but avoiding them usually make things worse. See, most people aren't afraid of taxes because they're doing something wrong. They're afraid because they think they might owe, they didn't save enough, they're behind from previous years, and they heard horror stories about the IRS, and that fear causes people to freeze. But the IRS doesn't reward silence. They reward communication and compliance. Here's something most people don't realize. Filing your return, even if you owe, is usually safer than not filing at all. Why? Failure to file your taxes gives you penalties which are worse than failure to pay. Filing starts the clock on protection and options. Not filing leaves you exposed. Filing gives you options. You don't need perfect records. You don't need to understand every tax rule. You don't need to have all the money up front. You need order, accuracy, and guidance. And this is where wisdom matters. See, the Bible says God is not a God of confusion, but of peace. That includes areas of our lives that feel overwhelming, like finances and taxes. Seeking help isn't weakness, it's actually wisdom. So if you're afraid to file, here's what I want you to remember. You're not alone. Fear does not mean you're in trouble. Filing is often the first step towards relief, not punishment. The worst thing you can do is guess or ignore it. That's why I became a tax preparer, because I personally prepare tax returns for people who are overwhelmed, behind, or unsure what to do next. I offer tax preparation for my subscribers, and I also offer audit protection and refund disbursement. So you're protected even after filing your taxes. If this video spoke to you, check out the links below or comment tax help and I'll help you out. You don't have to live in fear over this. There is a way forward with peace and order. You're not late. You're right on time to do this the right way. I want to thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless your family. Thanks.